Racing just is started. We have Gold Digger break quick. Let us start. Rushing upon the outside. Now is Magic Carpet Ride together with Polish Princess. The next online is Flash Dance with Lucky Julian getting the wide strip as they make the first turn is Habsburg Empire. That on the inside is Jade's Treasure, while Wolf of Wall Street is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Gold Digger moving upon the outside is Polish Princess 2 lengths back in third. Here comes Magic Carpet Ride. Flash Dance comes next, then followed now by Habsburg Empire, running by the release Jade's Treasure. And on the part turn, we have Gold Digger by about half length moving upon the outside. Now is Magic Carpet Ride, and in third comes Polish Princess. Habsburg Empire comes next. Then down on the inside now is Lucky Julian. As they swing for home, we have Gold Digger by about 2 lengths. Magic Carpet Ride now moving upon the outside. Last 100 meters, we have Gold Digger. Magic Carpet Ride is on the outside, and finally it's Magic Carpet Ride. Gold Digger, then comes Habsburg Empire, a Wolf of Wall Street.
Alright, number 5, Magic Carpet Ride, crossing the wire first, Masi Segundo, Diado. Numero 3, Gold Digger, naabot. Alright, panoorin natin replay nitong race number 8.